Hello everyone, and of course the teacher. This is Oscar Landero Campos, and this is my job. 9 most popular diets rated by expert 2017. What are the 9 most popular diets presented by article? And those are the main of a diet. Atkins diet, vegetarian diet, soul-beach diet, the sun diet, vegan diet, raw food diet, ketogenic diet, Weight Watcher diet, and Mediterranean diet. Now, what is a diet according to the article? So, a diet is best described as a fixed plan of eating and drinking where the type and amount of food are planned out in order to achieve weight loss or follow a particular lifestyle. Mention 2 principal characteristics of each of the 9 diets. We're going to start with the first diet, Atkins diet. Focus on controlling the levels of insulin in the body through a low carbohydrate diet. The second characteristic is a people on the Atkins diet avoid carbohydrate but can eat as much protein and fat as they like. Now, sun diet is a nutritional balance of 40% carbohydrate, 30% fat, and 30% protein in each meal. Also used in involves reducing carbohydrate intake and upping fat intake. Now, the ketonic diet encourages the consumption of high-quality carbohydrates, refined carbohydrates, and fats. Also, the diet causes the breakdown of fat deposit for food and creates substance called ketones through and process called ketones. Now is the third vegetarian diet. They don't eat animal-based food except for eggs, dairy, and honey. A vegetarian diet for ethical reasons as well as health. Now the vegan diet. The vegans don't not usually adopt veganism just for health reasons, but also for environmental, ethical, and compassionate reasons. Vegans believe that modern intensive farming methods are bad for our environment and unsustainable in the long term. The Weight Watcher diet. Weight Watcher diet focuses on losing weight, strong diet, exercise, and support network. He believed that low-fat regimens were not effective over the long term. So the Soul-Beach diet, it focuses on the control of insulin level and the benefit of unrefined, slow carbohydrates versus fast carbohydrates. Dieters can join either physical and attend regular meeting or online. In both cases, there is a lot of support and education available for the dieter. Now, the raw food diet. Consuming food and drinks that are not processed, are completely plant-based and ideally organic. And a significant number of raw food dishes are also vegan and do not eat or drink anything that is animal-based. And the last one, Mediterranean diet. The emphasis is on a lot of plant food, fresh fruit as dessert, beans, nuts, whole grains, seeds, olive oil as the main source of direct fats. Up to 1/3 of the Mediterranean diet consists of fat, with saturated fat not exceeding 8% of calorie intake. Now the question is Western style diet? Well, I think the South Beach diet. Now, in my opinion, which one are the best opinion to treat a patient? Explain your answer. Okay, I'm going to explain my answer. In my opinion, the best diet to use in a patient who only wants to control their weight is the diet zone, because it's the closer in ideal proportion of macronutrients that a person should consume daily. Okay, everybody, so that's all, and thank you very much for your attention. See you later.